If you just spilled liquid on your laptop, stop what you're doing and watch this video. The next 5 minutes could determine if your laptop lives or if it dies. I'm Quartz with AZ Tech Doctors, and we repair liquid damaged laptops a lot, actually. It's crazy. Um, in this video, I will be talking to you guys about what to do immediately after you spill water or soda or anything on your laptop. The big mistakes that people normally make once they spill liquid on their laptop, and how to increase your chances of saving your laptop once you spill something on it. You may see me looking down. I'm looking at my laptop because I typed up some notes for this video. So please don't mind me if my eyes go away from the camera because I'm looking down at my notes. But why water damage is so dangerous to the computer. When liquid spills on your computer, it hits the motherboard, right? If it hits the motherboard, if your computer is powered on, it short out circuits on a computer. The motherboard is made of small circuits in there to help the computer run. So if liquid hits it, it shorts out the circuits. And then corrosion begins to happen on the motherboard, which also damage the motherboard, causes the circuits to fail. Even a small spill of liquid on your keyboard could actually cause a large amount of damage to your computer. Just to let you know that. Just because you spill a little tiny bit on there, you want to make sure you really, really be safe. Rather be safe than sorry. That's how I tell people. So the real danger isn't always when water itself hits the computer. It's the electricity through the computer, through the laptop, which causes the board to fail if liquid hits it. So if your laptop is powered on and you spill water on it, the water might not hit the motherboard right then and there, but once that motherboard touches once the water touches the motherboard, then there's a big chance that your laptop is going to end up dying if you don't turn it off in time. The most common liquids that people tend to spill on their laptop is water, coffee. Coffee is a lot just because a lot of people drink coffee. A lot of people like their Starbucks. A lot of people like their Dutch Bros. They go to these coffee shops, they have their laptop, they sitting down, they working, spill liquid on it. End up tipping over their coffee cup by mistake. Some people have those rough mornings. It happens. Soda and juice. If you have kids, those are the main things for the kids. They will literally spill anything. But if they're drinking some soda or some juice, sometimes they will still spill it. So, and once they spill it causes like sticky residue and corrosion on a motherboard, which is it's hard to clean it and make sure it's really clean. All right, so here go the steps on what you need to do once you spill liquid on your laptop. Step one, you want to turn off the laptop immediately. Literally. If you spill some liquid on your laptop, turn off the laptop. The easiest way to do this and the fastest way to do this is to hold down your power button for 10 seconds. That will completely power off the laptop. All right? Do not continue to try to turn it on and use it after you turn it off just because there's still liquid in your computer. The liquid didn't automatically dissolve. It's still in there. Don't try to save files. If you're in the middle of typing a paper and you spill liquid on your computer, turn it off. Don't try to save files because, again, once that liquid hit that motherboard, you're going to be spending a lot more money than whatever that file is worth. Sorry, I had to get something to drink. Important tip. Unplug the charger. Don't leave the charger plugged in. The thing that you want to do is try to eliminate as much electricity that goes into the motherboard as possible. So unplug everything from the computer. All right. If the battery is removable, remove that battery. Don't leave it plugged in. Try to take out the battery if you can. If you can't, it's fine. But just make sure the laptop is power off. Remember, power plus water, it equals short circuits that will permanently destroy your components on the motherboard. So once that circuit goes short, it could destroy a lot of things. So Some circuits can be replaced out with micro soldering, but sometimes depending on how much you pay for the computer, it might not be worth that price. Step 2, I brought it up in step 1, but I'm gonna bring it up again. Disconnect everything. Remove all accessories from your computer, and that includes USB drives, mice. If you have your USB dongle for your mice plugged in, remove it. External hard drives, remove it. SD cards, remove it, because liquid can travel through the board. If it causes short circuits, it could destroy whatever is plugged into it as well. So remember to remove it so it won't cause additional damage to other things that you may have. All right. Step 3, turn the laptop upside down. And what you want to do, you want to take your laptop and you just want to turn it. So if your laptop is open, right, just want to turn it like a V. So you want your laptop to be like this. The screen, this is the screen, this is the keyboard. So you just want it to be like a V from the inside, right? So you want to flip it over. So that, and the purpose of that is basically it helps drain out the laptop, and it prevents liquid from reaching the motherboard. It helps the liquid not reach that motherboard because you have it upside down. Usually the motherboard is under the keyboard. So if you turn the laptop upside down, so this is the screen right here, and on this side is the keyboard, the liquid is basically going down this way, right? So turn your laptop like a V, have it upside down. A key that you want to take away from this is do not shake your laptop. If you shake the laptop, it helps the liquid spread around the laptop, which is not a good thing. You want to try to keep the liquid in one spot possible. Like you want to keep it in that one area. You don't want it to spread around. So if you're shaking the laptop like this, you're basically shaking the liquid all around the laptop, which could cause a bigger issue if you make a mistake and turn on the laptop. Okay, so a lot of people, for step number 4, do this. A lot of people. And a lot of people think that this helps, but it does not. You may guess. Guess in the comments before you continue. But do not put it in rice. It's a myth. Rice is a myth. It does not dry out your computer. Okay? Rice does not remove liquid inside of electronics. It does not. It does not stop corrosion on the motherboard. It does not. It can actually like introduce dust into your laptop because rice has some dust in it. It's like sugar. So it actually introduces dust into the laptop, into the atmosphere. The better alternative for you to do is let it air dry. Let your laptop air dry. Let it air dry. Give it at least 24 to 48 hours, depending on what you spilled in it, but let it air dry. Or you can use a fan for airflow. You could put a fan on the side of it or facing it so it could try to dry it out, airflow it out. But drying it alone does not fix the issue. It does not stop corrosion. Corrosion could still happen, especially with those sticky substances as well. It could still happen. So step 5, what you want to do. If you're not as tech savvy, you get nervous of opening up your laptop or anything like that, you could bring it in to a professional to get it clean, professionally clean. We, AZ Tech Doctors, can professionally clean your laptop, take it apart, clean it, get it back up and running, make sure everything is working correctly. But I do want to say that this does not guarantee that in the future that your laptop will start acting kind of funny. Wouldn't act kind of funny just because liquid was exposed to that motherboard. So it's not always 100% guaranteed that your laptop will last longer since we cleaned it out from the liquid that was spilled. But my technicians or I will disassemble your laptop. We will clean the motherboard. We will remove corrosion if some is on there. We will dry all the components safely. And we will inspect the motherboard to make sure that it's functional. And once we get everything put back together, we'll power on the laptop, make sure everything is working correctly how it should be working. If we see that additional parts are broken, we will let you know. and we will see if you want to proceed with the repair. But we also, when you check it in, we also look at the price of the computer compared to the work that needs to be done and tell you that, hey, may not be worth getting this repair because this computer is $250, and for parts and labor, you'll be at like $275. That's just a guesstimate, just throwing out numbers here. So if the repair is more than the laptop, we would highly suggest just getting a new laptop. Most computers, they have SSDs in them. So the only thing we really have to do is take your SSD out. If it didn't get hit with any water or damage it anyway, pop it in our docking station. Once you get your new computer, we could transfer over all your data. Pretty easy. The sooner you get it clean, the higher survival rate. So if you get it clean faster, like as soon as this liquid spill and you need to bring it in as soon as you can so you can get it clean. The faster we get it clean, the faster you won't have this type of damage done to your computer. So I want to tell you what not to do. There's a couple things that I don't want you to do. It's just a warning for you to know. When you spill liquid on your computer, don't keep using it. All right? Do not keep using your computer if you spill liquid on it. Because once you do, you'll be like, oh yeah, it's still working. I know a lot of people that have done this. They'll spill liquid on their computer and they'll continue on using it. They're like, oh, it's still working and haven't got damaged or anything. And then 2 days later, the computer will not power on. Because liquid touched it, you powered on your computer. It shorted out some circuits on the motherboard. Do not plug it back in. You want to relieve as much power to that motherboard as possible. So do not plug your laptop back into power. Do not use a hairdryer. Because if you use a hairdryer, you may burn components on a computer because a lot of people don't know how to use hairdryers or drying things, like they don't know how to use the drying like heating stations or hairdryers correctly. So you may end up burning or damaging more things in that computer. Do not leave it powered on. Like I said, don't leave it powered on because once that liquid hit that motherboard, it's going to short out some circuits, which is going to cause the computer to not power on. The heat plus moisture, it causes worse damage to the computer. All right. So my advice to you, I'm going to just wrap everything up right now. So what you want to do is turn off the laptop immediately, unplug everything from the laptop, turn it upside down like a V shape. Do not use rice, and get it clean quickly. Get it clean by a professional. If you know how to take apart your laptop and pretty tech savvy, you could clean it yourself. 99.9% alcohol would usually help with that as well. So don't use nothing less than 98%. But 99% alcohol with a toothbrush, clean toothbrush, put it in dip it in the alcohol and start rubbing the motherboard or the corroded area, wherever the case may be, will help you out a lot. Just make sure it gets dry. But if you are in Arizona and you need your laptop professionally cleaned, give us a call. We are located in Mesa, Arizona. If you need to ship it out, we do offer mail-in repairs. So if you need to ship out your device, and that could be phones, that could be tablets, that could be laptops. We repair them all. If they liquid damage, you could send them in. We could help with data recovery, help you out with a lot of things. Data recovery, we could try to revive the laptop or the phone. If you need any additional technical help, we can help you. You can mail it in to us. We can get it back to you as fast as possible. But I truly want to thank you all for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe at the bottom. Please leave some comments below. If I missed something that you think that I should have put in this video, comment below. Let me know how you feel. If you have any questions or anything that you want to ask about technology, anything like that, just comment below and we'll respond back to you. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.